Good morning, teacher. My name is Cindy Joanna Gomez. I am 30 years old. I live in Sopó, a student at Iberoamericana University. I am in the third semester of psychology, listening to music. I have two children and I am married. She's my daughter. Her name is Eliana Sanchez. She is 5 years old. He has brown eyes and brown hair. His leg is cream and drawing. He is my son. He is Juan David Sanchez. He has 9 years old and has brown hair and brown eyes. He likes to play soccer and eat ice cream. He is my husband. His name is Ivan Sanchez. He is student at UNAD University. He has black hair. He has brown eyes. Like to play soccer. They are family. Thanks. Goodbye, teacher.